What's up, guys? It's your boy Justin here, and today I haven't posted in so long, and today I got a good one. So make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you don't miss any of my new videos I post. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, and so today I have something that I think you guys have, and it is a Funko Pop. And so let's get opening it. My recording came off and I unboxed it. I'm sorry. But we have it right here. And so tomorrow I'll be doing a Beyblade video. I haven't done a Beyblade video in like forever. I'm so sorry I couldn't do the wedding because my phone was done. It was in the hotel. And yeah. I came back yesterday, and it was the 27th. I couldn't film a video, like, right away because I ate dinner and stuff. And so, I'm going to be showing you the Beyblades that I'm going to be working with. I'm going to be working with the Achilles, with the Valkyrie disc, and the Extend Plus. And I'm gonna be working with Prime Apocalypse and this and the 8 disc and I'm going to be using the reboot. So stay tuned for that tomorrow. And so, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. I already said that in the first one, and yeah. And, it's like a bobblehead, but some of these Funko Pops are like, some of these Funko Pops heads don't move, and a lucky chance that you get a brain. Even if there is a brain inside, I wouldn't get it because I only have one. So when I get older, I'm gonna collect more of this, and when I turn 14, I'm gonna stop my video. But then the rest of my ages, I will be doing videos. I'm gonna stop Beyblades when I turn I'm gonna stop Beyblades when I turn 20. And yeah. Goodbye, guys.